hello, testing. Hello, testing.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make fresh fish. My fish is here. I washed it, I cut it already. Onion, salt, lemon and black pepper, paprika, and garlic, diced tomato, and those are spicy. So right now we're gonna put everything together. I'm gonna put my fish. And then onion, diced tomato, paprika, salt, lemon and pepper, and garlic, and then here we're gonna add water. You don't need a lot of water. And then oil. And then we're gonna put it in the stove for 30 minutes or 40 minutes, and then we're gonna check it out. Welcome back guys. We're gonna see the result right now. See how much is it thick? It smells very good and it's very spicy. If you don't like it spicy, you're not gonna eat it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and share. Bye.